Hi, I'm Lisa Marie. Welcome to my channel, Living My Best Life. I hope you're living your best life too. If you're new here, I invite you to subscribe. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Welcome to day 13 of Vlogmas. Today for Vlogmas, we're going to talk about exercising around the holidays. And did you know you don't have to have a gym membership to do it? You can just use the things you're using for Christmas decorations and work out with those. And you know, why not? It's free, you already have them, and it's creative. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take a gift wrapping roll. Now, you wonder, this thing doesn't weigh much. What are we going to do with this? I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it up and I'm going to bring it behind. And I'm just going to keep doing this. And would you believe you can actually feel this? And what it does is it holds your arms in a certain position so that you can do this behind your head. And it's good for your arms. And if you sit up really straight, try not to hurt your low back when you do it. Okay, so that's the first one we're going to do with the roll of wrapping paper. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to hold it out in front of us and we're going to turn it to the right, to the left, keeping the one in the same spot, and take the opposite and bring it up. And you can do that 3 sets of 10 and take a small break between. Same thing with the other one. I'm not a fitness instructor. Be sure to consult with your physician if you need to before you do any of this. I don't want anyone to get hurt. The next thing we're going to do with the wrapping paper roll is we are going to put it out in front of us and we are going to start down right here in front and we're going to go straight up and down, right between your legs, straight up. Now do very slow, controlled movements. Don't go too fast. You don't want to pull anything or injure yourself. And you just keep doing that for, let's say, 3 sets of 10 and rest between each set. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to use a stocking. Now, I wouldn't recommend that you do one with a bell on it because it's going to get really annoying. Sit up as straight as you can. You're going to lift your right leg, put the stocking on. Then you're going to lift your right leg and take the stocking off. And then you're going to alternate. Put it on the left foot and lift it up and take it off. And you can do 3 sets of 10 on each side for each set. Believe it or not, that actually helps with your abs and it also helps with your quad on top of your thigh. The next exercise we're going to do is with one of the gifts that we wrapped in yesterday's video. So I'm going to take that candle Christmas tree that we wrapped because it's pretty heavy and I'm going to do bicep curls with it. So I'm going to take the gift, I'm going to hold it out straight and very controlled slow motion. Keep your elbow up the whole time. I'm going to bring it in slowly and bring it out. Keep your elbow where it needs to be the whole time, in and out. If you have to go like that, just don't hold up your arm. Just have it there so you don't sink down. Because if you hold it up, you're not going to use your bicep muscles. If you want to make this a little tougher, squeeze the present while you're bringing it in and release when you're bringing it down. Now, that could wreck the wrapping, but I don't think this one could get any more wrecked than it already is. Do 10 on each arm, take a rest, do 3 sets, and that would be bicep curls. We want to do the triceps, which is this back area where I know I'm loose. Lean forward to do that. And you're going to take your gift, and you're going to have your hand more like this, and you're going to reach back and try to keep your elbow up again. Fist forward while you're doing it. Sets of 10 on each side, rest in between, and that would be good for the back of your arms or that area we call the bat wings. The drum present that we wrapped yesterday that I tried to camouflage with really shiny bright ribbon. Now what you do with this one is you take it and you put it right between your knees. You're going to squeeze for the count of 10. Just hold it there and squeeze. And then relax. Not enough to drop it, but enough to stop squeezing. And then you're going to do it again and do 3 sets of 10 with a little break between. And that would be good for your inner thighs. And the last exercise we're going to do, since we're going to be using our mouth a lot to eat and drink and so forth, let's practice some mouth exercises. They call it face yoga, so that you can hopefully not get little wrinkles around your mouth. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to take your tongue and you're going to push it. Oh my gosh, this looks so funny. And you're going to do circles around slowly. Okay, it's not as easy as it looks. and then go the other direction and do 3 sets of 10. And what it does is it helps keep this area elastic and stretched out. If you use straws a lot, or if you use a vape or smoke, you tend to get those little lines around your mouth, or like me, I have smaller lips, so I get those, and that helps to alleviate those. I thought it'd be a little fun just to have a few exercises that you could just do at home while you're getting stuff ready for the holidays. I appreciate you being here, and I hope you're having a great day. Tomorrow is day 14, our final day of Vlogmas 2019. Hope to see you then.